Hi there, I'm going to try and walk through this process for you so you can get a feel for exactly what we should be doing. So you're going to want to click on this link in the classroom, in the Week 4 classroom. It's going to take you to the Code Academy site. I'm already logged in, so if you have an account, you can log in. I just have a free account. I don't have a pro account, although you're welcome to sorry, we'll do that. You're welcome to sign up for the 7-day trial, but you certainly don't need it. So we're doing this Learn SQL stuff, and we're going to be doing 1, 2, and 3. And like I said, you don't need the pro portion, but which I can't even see because I don't have that. But you can sign up for the free pro stuff, and feel free to do that. So once you're into the section itself, you want to be reading through here. You'll have, like, this is the section on manipulation, which is lesson 1. You want to see the info about SQL, all of that it's part of accessing a relational database system. We do have a database that's built in here. So you'll be doing this. Now the assignment that you have for this week is to create these types of statements for a different database. So you won't actually be running them anywhere. You'll just be creating them on a piece of paper. So for example, here, you need to read through the stuff at the top, and then you'll get to a section that says instructions, and you'll want to do what it says. So let's begin by entering a SQL command. In the code editor, type this. So you can type it, or you can cut and paste it. If you actually type it, you may be better served by that, because then maybe you'll remember those commands. But so once you type it, then you hit run, like it says over here, and these are the current folks that are in the this database. So Justin Bieber, Beyonce, Jeremy Lin, etc. So once you get to the bottom of that section, then you'll click next and go to the next section. So you're going to learn a little bit about the databases and how that works and what the commands mean, and hopefully you'll recall those things as we need them, and then you just click next, etc. So again, here's another one. This is creating a table. Talks about creating a table. So that's how the exercises work. You're going to keep doing what it tells you to do, and running until there are 11 sections here. You can see we're on 3 of 11. You'll keep running all the way until we get to 11 of 11. And then at that point, you'll be able to go back and go to queries. So then you would do the same thing in queries. Exactly the same. We're going to learn how to query, etc., and go through the same steps. It's going to tell you what to type. You're going to cut and paste it or type it into this, and over here in this section is where you're going to see the results. So that's that for Code Academy. And like I said, you're going to go through, in the syllabus section, you're going to go through manipulation, interactive lesson, queries, interactive lesson, and aggregate functions, interactive lesson. You're welcome to go on further if you'd like. That none of those things are included in our assignment for the week, but you're welcome to. And again, you're welcome to do the pro items. If you would like, you can get a 7-day trial to the pro stuff for free. Now, if you get through that and you really are still lost when it comes to how to write these, and I would, obviously, you can easily just go through and copy, paste, get through the whole thing and be done. The point of doing that is so that you can complete this assignment down here. So it's going to ask you questions about a specific worksheet. These are the questions. You're going to be writing a query, and then if you go back to the classroom, we have the database document that lists out all of the tables in the database, and then what each table has. Physician table has employee ID, name, position, social security number, etc. So it'll give you an idea as to what elements are available in that database. So after completing this, if you're still unsure, and unable to complete this, go into the readings and resources and go to this section. This is optional content on SQL. You can go to Khan Academy, and Khan Academy has a whole series of basics, tables, etc. I have not completed these. I'm very trustworthy of the Khan Academy materials, but I have not completed these, nor are these required. This is just an option for you if you're still struggling with the other things. If you've completed both of these and you're still struggling, or if you want me to look at something, let me know. The questions that we're doing are fairly straightforward, based on querying. So we're not creating a table. The table exists. We're not inserting data that exists. What we're doing is querying the table. And that's what you do in the query section out here. In the query section of this, you're querying, and then also in that other section in Khan, you're doing querying. So hopefully that's helpful. If you have other questions, let me know. I'm happy to walk through it further. It's hard to walk through it and not actually just give you the answer, so I'm not likely going to do that. But hopefully it'll, if you get a good start on it, I'm happy to help you to fine tune it a little bit. Thanks.